Bowling coach and players explain the history and practice behind the game of bowling and the many ways they have improved.
Has been here since the 90s or the early 2000s.
Bowling hasn't always been in their life. It has been inspired by many people around them.
I got into bowling from one of my mom's friends. Her son likes to bowl, and he decided to start the bowling team.
What got me into coaching was easy. My son wanted to bowl for the bowling team and they needed a coach.
I got into bowling by my grandpa bowls, and I kind of just got into it because he was into it.
The coach and players elaborate on their favorite parts about being a part of the bowling team.
My favorite part about teaching the bowling team is watching all of the kids get to learn how to be a team and watching all of their improvements.
My favorite part about being a part of the bowling team is meeting new people who share an interest in bowling.
I like how I actually get to bowl with people, and it's fun.
Coach Schweik describes the different approaches to bowling practice.
Each week could be different. It could be them bowling just like normal, where they're just going up there bowling their frames. It could be sometimes we have you go up there, bowl one frame, and then somebody comes up behind you and tries to pick up the pins.
Players share their greatest achievements as being a part of the bowling team.
My biggest accomplishment is probably when I got my 230.
My biggest accomplishment has been improving my bowling skills.
Since they began bowling, they have made many improvements to their game.
I've improved on mainly bowling straight, because whenever I bowl, it always curves off to the left or right.
Since I started, I've probably improved like how I throw the ball, like setting it on the right mark.
From Blue Jay Journal TV, this is Presley Kaiser reporting.